Good morning, children. Let's continue with the notice. In the last class, we have already read what is notice, what are the main features of notice, how many kinds of notices are there, and we have also discussed the first kind of notice, that is notice for meeting. Now today, we are going to discuss the other three kinds of notices. So first of all, let's see notice for events. So first let me tell you, notice for events. What does it mean? In our schools, we have seen that from time to time, some events are organized, such as annual sports day, annual day celebration, teachers day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. So for these events, how the notices will be written. Today, we are going to see the features of such kinds of notices. So let's see. So first is name of the organizer. So the very first thing we will write the name of the organizer. Here name of the organizer may be school also, maybe any club, maybe any association, maybe any person. Purpose, occasion. Then we have to mention what is the purpose of organizing the event, or on which occasion the event is going to be organized. Date, time, duration, venue. Then on which date it is going to be organized, on which time it is going to be organized, in which venue, in which place it is going to be organized. Everything we will write. About participants. Then who will participate? Who will be the participants in this event? Who are going to participate? What will be their eligibility? What will be their quality? Everything we have to mention. Additional information, if any. After that, if there will be any more information, then we will write that information too. So once again, first of all, name of the organizer, then purpose, then occasion, then date, time, duration, venue. After that, about the participants, and if there is any more information, then that will be also mentioned. Now the question. Your school, Amar Vidyalaya, is organizing a cultural evening to collect funds for the slum children. The Education Minister has consented to be the chief guest on the occasion. Draft a notice about it to be displayed on your school notice board. You are the school head boy, school, head girl. Now the solved answer. Amar Vidyalaya. So as you have read in the features of notice, first of all, here the name of school is given, Amar Vidyalaya. After that, notice, and then the subtitle, cultural evening. And all these are, as you have read in the feature, used in capital letters. Then 15 July 20 dash dash, just like the feature, to the left side of the box is given. This is to inform all that, as I have given in the feature, that the notice usually starts with the clauses, this is to inform all that, or or all the students are hereby informed that this is being brought to your kind notice. So here it has been started with this is to inform all that. Our school is organizing a cultural evening. So the name of organizer is given. Who is organizer? School. Cultural evening to collect funds. Now what is the purpose of this event? To collect funds for the slum children. On 10th March, so date is given. At 5 p.m. time is given. In the auditorium, venue is given. Therefore, all the students are requested to make it a success. Then, who can participate? Who are the participants? Also given. The Honorable Education Minister will be the chief guest. Come with friends and relatives. So, this is the extra information, additional information. So, you have seen here all the things discussed in the features are already mentioned. So, this is our notice for events. So children, we have already seen how the notice for events is written. Now let's see the notice for lost or found. Name of the article lost or found. So in this notice, first of all, name of the object, name of the thing which is lost or which is found is to be mentioned. Description of the article. Then we will describe the article. If it is about lost, then we will describe it fully. And if it is about found, then only there will be partial description. Date, place, time. And like every kind of notice, here also date, where was the thing lost, on which date the thing was lost, on which date the thing was found, at which time it was lost or found, and in which place it was lost or found. Identification marks. Then the identification marks. But identification marks we have to mention only in the case of lost. If we are going to write the notice about found, then we will have to include the line that the owner will collect the object after giving full details of the object with identification marks. Whom, when, where to contact. At last, in both cases, whether the thing is lost or the thing is found, we have to mention where and to whom they have to come, they have to collect or deposit the thing. So once again, first, name of the article or object which is lost or found. Then the description of the object. In the case of lost, full description, and in the case of found, partial description. Then date, time, venue. Children, one thing I want to tell you here, date, time and venue. These three things are almost common in any kind of notice. Then identification mark. In the case of lost only. In the case of found, we have to write the owner may collect the item lost, the thing lost by giving full description with identification mark. At last, when, where, whom, contact, to contact. Now you can see the question. You lost your Titan wristwatch in your school. Draft a notice in not more than 50 words to be placed on your school notice board. You are a student of class 12 of Rani Ahalya Devi Senior Secondary School, Gwalior. sign as Rani oblique Ram. So first of all, like any kind of notice, name of the organization or school is given. Rani Ahalya Devi Senior Secondary School, Gwalior. After that, notice, and then the topic, as it is about a lost object, so lost, lost, lost. If it would be about found, then found, found, found. Then to the left side of the box, date is given, and the starting line is, this is to inform all that the undersigned. Children, one thing here you have to mind, that notice is generally written in third person. Rarely we use the first person I. So even you are going to write the notice for yourself, then also you will not use the first person I, you will use the word undersigned. So here the undersigned word is used. Lost her his golden colored Titan automatic wristwatch. So name of the object is given, which is lost. About 2 p.m. So time is given. Somewhere in the school premises, so place is given. Probably near the school basketball court. Probably word is given because the person doesn't remember actually where it was lost. So sometimes it happens in the case of lost item. While playing there, the watch is very beautiful, containing day, date and center second. So identification marks and all full details of the object are given here. It is round in shape with golden dial, giving a golden chain made in Japan. So all are the details with identification marks. Finder may please restore it. Finder may please restore it to the undersigned or to the principal. Suppose if it would be about the thing which was found, then what could you write? In the place of finder, you would write owner. Owner may please, then restore would not be written. In the place of restore, you would write collect. Owner may please collect it from the undersigned or from the principal. But here, as it is about lost, so finder may please restore it to the undersigned or to the principal. He will be amply rewarded. As we used to write in advertisement of lost, lost, lost also, he will be amply rewarded, he will be suitably rewarded. So here also we will mention. And then name of the writer. After that, designation, as he is only a student, so we will mention his or her class. So this way we will write the notice about lost or found. So you have seen here how the notice lost or found is written. Now I am going to discuss, that is the last part of the class of notice, and it is about the notice for camp or tour. So name of the club association. So first of all we will mention name of club, sports club, literary club, science club, or name of any kind of association. Purpose. Then we are going to mention what is the purpose of organizing the camp or organizing the tour. Duration. Name of the destination. Name of the destination. The name of destination will be only applied it will be applied only for the notice regarding tour. Means we have to mention the place, mention the area, mention the city. For the place the tour is going to be organized. Duration. Duration, this will be mentioned in the both cases where tour is going to be organized or the camp is going to be organized. Yes, we will mention duration means for how long, for how many days the camp or tour will be continued. Occasion. Then we will mention the occasion, on which opportunity, on which occasion we are going to organize this tour or we are going to organize the camp. Expenditure, and at last additional information. At last expenditure, but this will be mentioned only for the notice for tour. What will be expenses for each person, if there is any discount, and at last any more information is there, then you will mention. So these are the features of the notice for camps and tours. So once again, first point is name of the club or association. Then point number 2, the purpose. Point number 3, date, destination, duration, name of the occasion, and expenditure, and if there is any more information. Let's see the question. You are Jaya, Secretary, Interact Club, Shyamala Memorial Hall, Trichy. Draft a notice in not more than 50 words to be put up on your school notice board, asking all the students to persuade their parents and neighbors to donate blood in the blood donation camp to be organized in your school campus. Now let's see the solved answer. So like all kinds of notices, here also the name of school first of all is mentioned, Shyamala Memorial Home Trichy, and then notice, then the name of the event, the name of the camp, blood donation camp, and to the left of the box date is given. Then it has been started with the clause, this is to inform all the students and staff members that the Interact Club, so the name of the club is here mentioned, is going to organize a blood donation camp on the eve of School Foundation Day. So name of the occasion is given on 20th March. Name of date is given here from 9 am to 2 pm. Duration is given on cricket ground in the school campus. Venue is given. So you can see here that all the things mentioned in the features are given here. All the students are requested to persuade their parents and neighbors to donate blood for this noble cause of humanity. So the purpose of this camp is also given. The purpose of the camp is to persuade their parents to donate blood. It can save a patient's life. Donors will be provided a donor certificate with light refreshment. So this is the additional information. For registration or further query, please contact the undersigned. At last, name of the writer, and then just below the name of club is given. Here name of designation also may be mentioned. So you have seen here how the notice for camp or tour is written. So this way we have seen all the 4 kinds of notices which are mainly asked in your exam. So with this I am going to end the session of the notice. That's all. Thanks.